And now Susie got a ride to the apple orchard. And there she is at the apple orchard. And Madonna gives Buffy her gold poison. Yep. And will she pick a lot of apples? Yeah. I don't know, and I don't know, and I don't know. Wow, she's doing very well so far. Wow, she filled one bucket or pail already. Yep, yep, and yep. And she's one out. Yep, and yep, and yep, and yep. And we're gonna make candy apples to sell at the hayride tomorrow. Yeah, and yeah, and yeah. And she was gonna include Madonna in a podcast this year. Yeah, and yeah, yeah, and yeah. Oh, her pie is done, and her pie is done, and her pie is done, and her pie is done. Oh, it's just in time to wash up and and little bubbles, am I right? Little bubbles, am I right? Little bubbles, am I right? Being an older bubble, I know how it feels. Hey, but don't be fooled. It's actually Cybones under this. Yeah, and I don't know a thing about being an older sister. Me neither about being an older bubble because I got 12 older ones. Oh yeah. Uh-oh, what's he gonna do now? Call it apple crumble, maybe? Yeah, call it apple crumble and call it apple crumble. Yeah. That's what Bud just said. Yeah, that's what Bud just said. Uh-oh. 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 She's got... Raccoon! Raccoon! Uh-oh, there's a pie in Pinky's face. Hey, he likes it. But she did something wrong. Yeah, she did something wrong. She was supposed to deliver her treat in the cigar bowl. Cigar bowl. Yeah, Ben Lake. Ben did the lake. Yeah, and yeah, and yeah. So she's marked late. And she's marked late. Yes, he is. Yes, he is. And yes, he is. And she is saying that one leave. Yes, he is. And yes, he is. She got it. She got it. And she got it. Oh. An apple ties to hole. Yep. 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 and yeah. The Tipple twins jumped in a pile of leaves, and we'll talk about Otto's conversation idol. Oh, I just lost that clip with audio. Ethel was asking if when Donna wanted some help because she was pretty beat, and she said no. She'll do a couple more piles and to call it a day. And Ethel said that he'll be in the sidle stand if she needed help. And that was the whole conversation. Hopefully I find a lot for the Team Prince meeting. And I don't know what the Team Prince meeting is all about yet. And now Adonna's coming home, and now she's asleep, and she's dreaming all about the hayride. The next morning. And that she didn't show up. And Fawn, Pinky, Muffy, and Francine now talking about how she ruined all day. Yeah, and yeah. Then she shows up. Yep, and yep. And oh God, Puffin is haunting our dreams now. It's the hayride. Yeah, and yeah. Bud went, and Bud went, and Bud went. And Ethel's outside, and Ethel's outside, and Ethel's outside. And they're talking about doing too much. Yeah, they are, and yeah, they are. And sometimes that Ethel does it too. Yeah, he does, and yeah, he does, and oh, yeah, he does. And that's the end, and that's the end, and that's the end, and that's the end. Wow, guys. Wow and wow. Did you want something? And did you want something? Yeah. Don't pussy yourself about doing too much. Yeah, don't pussy yourself about doing too much. Yeah. And try your best. Yeah, try your best and try your best. Okay. I will be upset if I mess up. Me as well. And don't be stressed out. Okay. And okay. But when enough is enough, stop. And when enough is enough, stop. And when enough is enough, stop. Okay, and okay. Okay, and okay. Even for you two future team captains. And for you future team captains. Okay. and okay. But about that, I got voted off yesterday. Oh yeah, you did. Oh yeah, you did. And oh yeah, you did. So you might be the one. Yeah, I might be the one, and I won't let you down. Good, good, and good. Even though I won one prize, that's satisfying. Yeah, and yeah, see you at the Great Wolf Lodge. Yeah, see you at the Great Wolf Lodge. Yeah, see you at the Great Wolf Lodge. Did you really win 25 pieces of candy? No, I'm 25 points ahead of everybody else. So that's 25 points for me. Oh, really? Yeah, well, Stallion had 14 points. Oh, I heard about that. It was offset, right? Yeah, it was offset, off screen, because he failed to get a bunch of candy to knock over that Dot's candy. Oh yeah. See, yes, he did something really dumb to move at recess. Yes, he did. And no calls. I got it off screen, and I thought I was recording, but you won't, right? Yeah, I was not recording that day. But did Valian see you? No. But did Rapunzel or Valian or Wanagal recognize you? No. Oh, thank goodness. Because I heard that they got away on the way in. Yeah. And yeah, they did. Hey, it was supposed to be my line. Well, it was saying to me, we never. Oh yeah, I know, yeah. But we never. If you can't handle the puzzle, stop. Yeah. If you can't handle the puzzle, stop. Yeah. If you can't handle the puzzle, stop. 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 Yeah. And yeah. I'll try my best to find the stuff for the Team Capital meeting on Tuesday night. Yeah, and I'll try my best to load up and unload and to pack up. Me as well. Even though I got voted off, I'll try my best to buy the drinks. Yeah. What kind of drinks are you buying? Mountain Dew, Zero Sugar. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's perfect because it's very, 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 very long. Yeah, and yeah. You didn't tell us what was it about? Yeah, what's it all about? Yeah, what's it all about? Where's the money for new tote bags? Where's the money for new tote bags? And where's the money for new tote bags? Oh, come on again. Come on again. Yeah, and yeah. Like what? Like what? Like what? Like what? Like what? Like what? I don't know, and I don't know what kind of bag it is. Again, that's still like maybe a Denny Villains bag, or a Darth Vader bag, or a Kyle Wynn bag, or a Star Wars Villains bag. Yeah, or one of the Stormtroopers. Yeah, and yeah, and yeah, and yeah. So remember, try your best, and try your best. And if it's too much, stop. 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 And if it's too much, stop. Stop. Bye everybody. Bye everybody. Bye everybody. And bye everybody. And bye everybody. And remember to watch the other episodes on CBS Kids. Oh, wherever you get Eiffel. Yeah, wherever you get Eiffel, that's it. Yeah, like on on those downloadable systems or on your television. Yeah, and yeah. And stay tuned for other events. Yeah, and yeah.